Hello. I haven't been able to film any video lately because there's a construction out there making so much noises. Anyway, so yesterday I saw so many packets of chips lying around in the house. So I decided to make these potato chips chicken wings. It turns out, surprisingly, let's just say, it reminds me so much of in Hong Kong and China. You can order fried chicken wings from McDonald's. It reminds me of that taste. I was so surprised. So today, I'm going to film this video to show you how I made it. And it's super easy. Last a few times, I tried to remake Kentucky Fried Chicken and I made a big mess in this kitchen. And this time, I'm not going to fry it. I'm going to just put in the oven and bake it. Let's start, shall we? I just got this box of chicken wings from Coles. And we use paper towel to dry them. And then put in this clear bowl. Let's first fold them. Massage them in sugar, pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, paprika. I love paprika. Cumin seeds, turmeric. Let's go crazy. We put some chicken powder. We're supposed to put onion powder a bit, but we only have onion and salt. Okay, and massage it in. Okay, I'll put some cooking wine. Then we're going to leave it for at least half an hour. Yesterday one, I actually left it overnight. It tastes so good. So it's better if you have time. The longer you leave it, the better. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Look at all the Kettle's chips I have. These chips. The smaller the crumb, the chips is, it is easier to stick on the chicken wing. The main thing, so chicken wing, flour, egg, and chips. And the best way to bake chicken wings, this rag and on top of the tray, so the greasy stuff of the chicken wing will go down to the tray. Our wing in the tray.
Yeah, she's excited. She's making you chicken wings.
Hi, I'm making you chicken wings tonight. So, flour, egg, breadcrumbs, but in this case, we use chips. One pack of these chips will make exactly 6 chicken wings, probably 7. Now it's ready to go into the oven, 180 degrees for 20 minutes. The best way to bake chicken wings, the hot air can circulate. Oh, Wolfie! Okay, now.
Wolfie! Right.
See you in 10. Okay, 10 minutes later, you just turn it around. It's going to cook evenly. Ta-da!
You know, with the
Looks so good.
And here we have
chip chicken wings. Here we go.
What do you think?
Good and messy. Hot.
They are actually really good.
Sweet
No.
chili. Sweet chili and chips. Sweet chili chips. Sweet chili chip chicken. It can also be eaten with sweet chili.